In this quick guide, you'll learn how to reset your account on Trading 212. Whether you're looking to start fresh or simply want to change certain settings, resetting your account can be a helpful way to achieve that. So let's dive right in and walk you through the steps. First, you'll want to open up the Trading 212 app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account you wish to reset. Once you have the app open, look towards the bottom or side of your screen for the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Tap on that menu to access the main navigation. Once you're in the menu, you'll need to scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your account, so go ahead and tap on that. Within the Settings menu, look for an option that says Reset Account or Account Reset Options. This is the key feature we're focusing on today. Tap on that option to proceed. If you're not seeing it right away, ensure that your app is updated to the latest version, as settings can sometimes change with updates. Now that you're inside the Account Reset options, you'll be presented with a few choices on what type of reset you want to apply. This could range from resetting your settings, clearing your data, or something more specific to your needs. Take a moment to consider which option aligns with what you want to achieve and make your selection. After you've chosen the reset action you want to apply, simply follow the on-screen instructions. These prompts will guide you through the final steps to confirm your choice. It's important to read each step carefully, as resetting your account will typically clear previous data or settings, and you want to ensure you're resetting exactly what you intend to. Once you've confirmed your selection, the app will process the reset for you. Depending on your choice, this could take a few moments. And there you have it, your account should now be reset according to the option you selected. Remember, resetting your account is a significant step, so make sure it's the right choice for you. If you have any doubts or questions, it might be worth consulting Trading 212's support or help section. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to reset your account on Trading 212. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.